Good day. I am Emilio S. Rocha Jr. I am here to conduct an interview of Sir. Sir, please take the name.
My name is John Wesley Valdez, and I am a teacher here at CCSA, and I took the LET March 2023.
Okay, thanks. Sir, can you give me a strategy of
Wait, I'm sorry. March 2024. I'm sorry.
sir? Okay, sir, now sir, pwede mo bang mabigyan ako ng strategy about how to take a board exam like
Okay.
review?
Sige, sige. Aside from reviews and interviews, usually what I did was I would write in a Manila paper, for example, law RA, and then I would post it on my cabinet near my bed. So the first thing when I wake up, I see the RA at Sanina Law, ano na. So like ECE law, grade school na mga Magna Carta for teachers, na. That way, kaya pag abot ako sa exam room, I will just imagine my room, alam ko na yung nakalagay doon. So that's one of the strategies I do. Aside sa group studies and reviewing yung mga important na write them down on a notebook or Manila paper, ipilit sa wall.
Remember the name, sir?
Not everything, pero yung make sure na i-post mo siya ahead of time. Let's say mga 3 months before the exam, because automatic din na when you wake up, di makita mo yung medalyon. So if you do that for at least 3 months, the first thing you see when you wake up is katong mga law, yung mga concepts, na-ingrain na sa mga mind, di na namamahal. Kasi saan mo kakulpaan, kabalo ko kasi nakabutang mo ito.
How about sa like na naka sa pag-take with sir? How, paano niyo mo ginamanage yung time, sir? Like, take time with sir?
Okay. So, first thing you do is be early. Of course, mga before, at least before 4:30, dapat kapila ka na. Yes. Because you have to make sure, asa ka na school, asa ka na room number, seat number, kana importante. Because if you miss that, by the time mag-8 na, you cannot enter anymore. So, you will have to take the next exam. So, be super early, dude, and bring food, lots of food. Okay? Ma-dehydrate water and food. Ma-dehydrate ka, gusto mo kasi you're losing much of your brain. So you manage your time by eating and relaxing. Take deep breaths, para mawala po yung tension.
So, that's sir, is kasi hindi mo this strategy not 100% sure, but 90% lang din sir na makatag mo sa akin, sir.
What do you mean 90%?
Na strategy para mapasar na ko or
I see. Aside sa sa wall, na make a schedule. For example, this week, math ka na. Next week, English ka na. Okay, that way, madilit lang nimo pag sabay-sabay yun, maghalo na gusto mo. That's why, this also applies sa reviews. Usually in 1 week, Prof. Ed na sana gusto. And then the next, English. So in 1 day, 4 hours, English only. So if you're self-reviewing, di ka mag-review, di ka mag-review center, schedule review. So, schedule na until the day of the exam, except for the day before the exam. The rest maka. So, actually try ako, December, English ka na, math ka na, tapos 2 weeks Prof. Ed only. And then Prof. Ed nakatong isan-isan, katong si Vincent, yung gawas na sila. So, schedule. Time management.
time management lang din sir.
Kung ba siya sa Ginoo, of course, and study,
Yes, sir.
do your part.
So, ito mo kasi na pareha ito ganyan sir, like kung nalagigil buhat kang ganyan para like mga pagtungubot para makapasal dito.
Sige. Like I said before, rituals,
Mga rituals.
Katong pagpatahal ka sa nakapasar or nakatop sa board, and then when you're done taking the board, balik ulit mo pencil, red flag underwear, sipa on one chair, tanan mo against requirement thought because it invalidates your effort. Yung effort mo nag-study ka tapos ang imo i-credit ka kung red mo na underwear. Unfair kasi mo self, you have to give credit to your effort and the time that you use. Kaysa sa, kasi chukol, nabali na ko ang that's unfair to you and to others who study. Siguro gina-credit nyo na, pwede na di mapasa, balik ko na natin si So, disrespectful siya and insulting sa mga study, including yourself. Ma-disrespect
Ganyan sir kay nag-study din ko tapos
kasi credit mo sa yung suot mo.
like nagkasalig lang mo.
Yeah,
That's
that's
why
why.
study kay dito ko yan na
Yes,
Sala
exactly.
kay tiwala sa iyong sarili.
So, ang tiwala din mo na sa mong ambulance. Pag na-age, pwede siya pagkatambol. Even as a teacher, lagi siya pagkatambol. And yet, some people, cling sila sa belief, which is, I think, it's unfair to them sa anak. So, ako, I'm a firm believer na it's always do your part and let God do His part. So, akong gi-credit yun ako, Lord, I promise, Lord, if I pass, I will not credit anything na di opposite din ako. Wala ko nagbalik ng pencil, nagtanaw ko sa classroom pag ako man na blue ko, nag-blue, opposite din sa red mo. Para lang din na-disturb kay hit, kinako siya. So, kato. And I passed, one take lang po. So, it's not really the rituals, but it's rather your part, your efforts, your sleepless nights, your sweat, your tears, and and God, of course. Wala siya sa Ginoo, nakapasal.
Pero kasi hindi mo mapapasal eh.
Masar na din na. Just do your part. Yes, do your part. Ano, ayaw din sa lead. Like I said, schedule, do your part. And God, of course, don't forget to pray na Lord. I pray na kami na information hindi mo wala sa kakulba. Lord, help me calm down. So, pwede na, bright yung kapis. Sa kanyang kakulba, pero not very slow. So, importante po na balance mo din. Lord, help me calm down. Anak mo. So, ano na may questions?
And that's all, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Salamat sa mga strategies, sir.
Oh, no problem. Sige, sir.